Hey, what's up, students? Let's do the Rockin, Stockin, Stuffa. So we have some binomials that have been multiplied or have been squared, and we have the answers over here. So we got to match the answers to their original form, okay? So you can match these any way you want, but I would probably start with these guys over here and then match them back to the original answer. So if you took an x plus a 6 times an x minus a 6, guess what that's going to make? That's going to make one of these guys. This is called a difference of two squares pattern. It's different in that one's a plus and one's a minus. And then what happens is the answer actually becomes a difference of two squares. It becomes an x squared, and 36 is 6 squared. So it's a difference of two squares, all right? And that only comes from the same binomial, but when one's a plus and one's a minus. All right, moving on. X plus 6 squared. If you take x plus 6 times itself, you would get an x squared. You would get a double product in the middle, and then you would get a 36. So boom, okay? How do you prove that? Well, really quick, if you did a small little poly box of an x and a 6, an x and a 6, there's the x squared. Here's one 6x, here's the other 6x. Together they would make 12x. That's why I call it the double product. There's going to be two of them. And then 6 times 6 is 36. So we'd have an x squared, a 12x, and a 36. So again, when you square a binomial, you square the left, you square the right, you have a double product in the middle. The only difference between this one and this one is that there's a minus here. So your double product would be negative. So this guy is going to match that guy right there, leaving the only situation, the x squared plus 36, that never really had anything to do with binomials from the beginning. So anytime you have a square plus a square, that's not really a special case. It's not really a special pattern. These are the only three, and these are the only three. You're an extra one. Good distractor, but no, that never, ever, ever, ever happens, okay? An addition of two squares, that's never a thing. There is a difference of two squares. All right, that's about it. That's the Rockin, Stockin, Stuffa.